Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a stable signal. This matters because the auto-tuner measures pitch in real time. Plug your pickup or mic into the tuner input and set a clean volume, 2 low yields noise, 2 hot clips. Once powered, choose the correct instrument mode so the tuner uses the right note map. Now play a single open string or note and watch the display react. This immediate feedback tells you the tuner is ready and tracking accurately. You now engage auto-tune. Press the function key and select auto-tune mode so the unit applies correction automatically. Play sustained notes cleanly and let the tuner detect pitch. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds so it can calculate deviation in cents. The tuner will apply micro adjustments or display when to adjust tuning pegs manually. Watch for a lock indicator or a centered needle. If you need harmony tracking, activate the harmony sub-mode and the tuner will split detection. You finish by checking every string across frets and playing chords to confirm stable tuning. Automatic correction can mask uneven intonation, so verify by ear too. If your unit supports saving presets, store your preferred mode and calibration, then power cycle to ensure settings persist. If tuning is inconsistent, make sure pickup/mic contact is solid, reduce background noise, replace batteries or use adapter, and confirm
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.